If you could see me now, you'd probably ask me why I changed. I'd tell you I was searching for a heart nobody shaped. I don't need perfection, I don't need another role. I only want a life that finally feels like home. Now I know every scar became a door. Every broken season made me love myself much more.